Rashab,
Togiam.
your thoughts on the game, Wood?
Yabona lento leseyabuya ukuthi Minister of Sports. Minister of Sports. Masithi makuphela the time kuphela iAfcon. Sithi siyacela umkhelele bano Hugo Bruce abashiye phansi. Siyabonga kuphele iAfcon kwalwa yena Minister of Sports. I-blame ngiphutha kuwe Gaten McKenzie i-flop lakho i-fault yakho le sila esikhona khona isimanga sakho uHugo Bruce akadeserve ucoach bafana usifeyilile simbonile kwi-AFCON ama game yes uyangithola so sikhale ngayo lento lokuthi ungathatha abantu ama defender wonke uwafaka si defender yini into esidefendayo asikadlali le game e1 usifakela ama defender wonke I'm happy ukuthi ama defender wakho awatholile ama red card I'm happy ukuthi next red card iza kuwena uzoyithola i red card manje yeah uyangithola buka manje ukuthi la sikhona khona sikuphi uyabona into sethi kuma calculator manje sesiyaqala manje siyabala ukuthi lo makangadla lo fanele manje kusase uyangithola sethi kuma calculate zuka nje sethi kuma calculate no asikho happy the way kwenzakala ngakhona ayikho into befanele siyidefend namhlanje iMexico buti bekuyi walk over yethu
bebengadlala
abekho labantu laba ama mistake wethu soyenzile one awukhena ukuthi bekubani playmaker
besingenayo
sizama ukuncenga ngaye uAdams uyamkhipha umkhiphelani uAdams noma ngabe bangekho but then fanele sizame ukuncenga ngabo lo Adams uyangithola fanele sizame makazi
favorite World Cup
yes it is a World Cup but then sengishela ukuthi kule line up yakhe engekho ungakhipha lo muntu esithi uye mhlambe ongathi mawuphushela abanye kuzame ukuthi sibone ukuthi beba off umkhwena sekathola yellow card uSmith sekathola yellow card uthini coach ilang khala khona ukuthi kunokuthi ukhiphe umuntu ongena yellow card ofana no Adams uzokhipha umuntu under pressure manje umkhweni secondly isabi yakhe yakazwana it was not necessary at all udinga umremo or police because uyimoshile i-starting 11 yakho uyabona uzwane umuntu omfaka mangabe izinto ziyenzeka uyalida right uzocontrola igame yakho uyangithola
it goes back to lento issue lot once isalidwa we're not going to come back
thank you kunzima ukubuya back sizobuya ngobani futhi ngoba abantu sisemove sizovika into esingayazi
so now iplan
uyayibona
because consider then sikora kanjani
angikho happy the way kudlalwe ngakhona but ngicela ukukhuthaza abafana ukuthi ma-gents khuthalani sasenawo ama-game ayi-2 ayi-3 alandelayo ukuthi singa-improve ukuthi singenza kangcono and then ngiyacabanga ukuthi noma kunzima nje asina man of the match asinani
I'd like my next week isilala nabanye futhi sobona khona
next week idlala nabanye so dlala nane South Korea South Korea besimele sidlale ngale bhola belinokudlalwa iSundowns kusakhoja uRulan lapha yabona Shushan and Pian ilona bhola lokudla iSouth Korea hlukana nokudefenda coach
but manje inkinga icoach asazi ukuthi uzobuya nani next week
mina I believe ukuthi uzobuya nawo lama defender wakhe uzobuya nabanye uzobuya nabo Ndamane uzobuya nabo Okon usazobuya na like I mean like
Rashab askisi Prague. Good luck.
All right, Togiam.
Good luck, brother. Oh,
Sizabona next week.